Dear students, welcome to Blackboard.
Exercise 5.3, third question. Question number 6. A equal to 2, D equal to 8, Sn equal to 90. Find N and An. Here we have to find out N and An. Here given Sn. So we can start with the Sn. We have Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 90 equal to n by 2 into 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 8 because Sn is given 90. A is given 2. D is given 8. Now we can take this divided by 2 to left side. It is becoming into 2. Here 2 into 2 we can multiply. This bracket n minus 1 into 8 we can remove. So we get 90 into 2 equal to n into 4 plus 8n minus 8. This 2 is taking to left side 90 into 2. 2 into 2 4. Here n into 8 it is 80n. Minus 1 into 8 it is minus 8. Now this 90 into 2 we can multiply. Same way this 4 and minus 8. 4 minus 8 that we can add, we are getting minus 4. 180 equal to n into minus 4 plus 8n. Now we can multiply n with the numbers inside. n into minus 4. It is minus 4n. n into 8n. It is 8n square. 180 equal to minus 4n plus 8n square. We can take this 180 to right side. So we get minus 4n plus 8n square minus 180 equal to 0. Now you can see if we write this 8n square first, minus 4n second, then minus 180 third. Now it is the form of a quadratic equation. So I wrote it in the order 8n square minus 4n minus 180 equal to 0. We can divide these whole numbers with 4. If we divide it throughout by 4, this will be becoming in a simplest form. That is 2n square minus 1n minus 45 equal to 0. This part is optional. If you want, you can do. Otherwise, you can leave it. Now, this is a quadratic equation. So, we can solve it by using quadratic formula. Our quadratic formula is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. So first we can find out b square minus 4ac. Here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 1, c equal to minus 45. b square minus 4ac equal to minus 1 square minus 4 into 2 into minus 45. That is equal to 1 plus 360. That is equal to 361. Now we can find out n. n equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. That is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of 361 whole divided by 2 into 2. That is equal to 1. Minus 1 is plus 1. Plus or minus root of 361 is 19 whole divided by 4. Now we can split it. So n equal to 1 plus 19 by 4 or n equal to 1 minus 19 by 4. So here we got 1 plus 19 is 20. 20 by 4 equal to 5. Here if we do, we will get a negative value. N is the number of terms. Number of terms cannot be negative. So we no need to consider the second value. We can consider n equal to 5. So we got the answer n, that is equal to 5. Now we have to find out an also. We know the formula to find the an is a plus n minus 1 into d. An equal to 2 plus 5 minus 1 into 8. A equal to 2. n equal to 5, d equal to 8. So 2 plus 5 minus 1 into 8, that is equal to 2 plus 4 into 8. We have to multiply this 4 into 8 first. So we get 2 plus 32, that is equal to 34. So we got the answer n equal to 5 and an equal to 34. Question number 7, given a equal to 8, an equal to 62, sn equal to 210, find n and d. Here you have to find out n and d given a, an and sn. So we can start with an and sn. We have an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 62 equal to 8 plus n minus 1 into d. Because an equal to 62 and a equal to 8. We can take the 8 to left side. We get 62 minus 8 equal to n minus 1 into d. That is n minus 1 into d equal to 54. Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We have a Sn equal to 210, a equal to 8, n minus 1 into d equal to 54. So we get 210 equal to n by 2 into 2 into 8 plus 54. 210 into 2 equal to n into 16 plus 54. That is 420 equal to n into 70. Change the sides. n into 70 equal to 420. n equal to 420 divided by 70. That is n equal to 6. So we got the value of n. Next we need to find out the value of d. For that we can use this formula, n minus 1 into d equal to 54. There we can give n equal to 6. We have n minus 1 into d equal to 54. 6 minus 1 into d equal to 54. d equal to 54 divided by 5. So the value of n is 6. Value of d is 54 by 5. Question number 8. Given an equal to 4, d equal to 2, sn equal to minus 14, find n and a. Here given an equal to 4 and sn equal to minus 14. So we can start with an and sn. We have an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 4 equal to a plus n minus 1 into 2. Because an equal to 4, d equal to 2. That is 4 equal to a plus 2n minus 2. We have removed this bracket. n into 2, it is 2n. Minus 1 into 2, it is minus 2. Now we changed the sides. A plus 2n minus 2 equal to 4. Next, a plus 2n equal to 4 plus 2. Minus 2 is taken to right side. A plus 2n equal to 6. A equal to 6 minus 2n. This plus 2n is taken to right side. We have Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We know Sn equal to minus 14. So we can give it here. N we need to find out 2a. A equal to, we know it is 6 minus 2n. So instead of a we can give a 6 minus 2n. And we have a d equal to 2. So this becomes minus 14 equal to n by 2 into 2 into 6 minus 2n plus n minus 1 into 2. Here we have substituted the value of a as 6 minus 2n. So here you can see two brackets, 2 into 6 minus 2n, this we have to remove. Then another one, n minus 1 into 2, that also we have to remove. This divided by 2 is taken to left side. So we get minus 14 into 2 equal to n into 12 minus 4n plus 2n minus 2. 2 into 6, it is 12. 2 into minus 2n, it is minus 4n. n into 2, it is 2n. Minus 1 into 2, it is minus 2. So we get minus 28 equal to n into 10 minus 2n. Minus 14 into 2, it is minus 28. plus 12 and minus 2 we can add. We are getting 10. Minus 4n and plus 2n we can add. We get minus 2n. Now we can remove this bracket. We get minus 28 equal to 10n minus 2n square. We can take this 10n and minus 2n square also to left side. We get a quadratic equation. Minus 28 minus 10n plus 2n square equal to 0. That is 2n square minus 10n minus 28 equal to 0. If we divide here throughout by 2, this equation will be in a reduced form. So we are going to divide the equation by 2. We get n square minus 5n minus 14 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. We can solve it by using quadratic formula. So we can find out b square minus 4ac first. A equal to 1, B equal to minus 5, C equal to minus 14. B square minus 4AC equal to minus 5 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 14. That is equal to 25 plus 56. That is equal to 81. N equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. That is equal to minus 5 plus or minus root of 81 whole divided by 2 into 1. That is equal to 5 plus or minus 9 by 2. Minus 5 is plus 5. Root of 81 is 9. So we can split it. N equal to 5 plus 9 by 2 or n equal to 5 minus 9 by 2. So n equal to 14 by 2 equal to 7. If we consider the case here, the n will be negative. The n is the number of terms, it cannot be negative. So no need to consider this part. So we got the value of n, it is equal to 7. So we got n. One more question is there, find a. So to find out a, here is one equation you can see, a equal to 6 minus 2n. There you can give the value of n equal to 7. We have a equal to 6 minus 2n, that is equal to 6 minus 2 into 7, that is equal to 6 minus 14 equal to minus 8. So the value of a is minus 8 and the value of n is 7. Question number 9. Given a equal to 3, n equal to 8, s equal to 192, find d. We have Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is 192 equal to 8 by 2 into 2 into 3 plus 8 minus 1 into d, because Sn equal to 192, n equal to 8, a equal to 3. 192 into 2 equal to 8 into 6 plus 70. This divided by 2 is taken to left side. 2 into 3, it is 6. 8 minus 1, it is 7. So we get 384 equal to 48 plus 56d. 8 into 6, 48. 8 into 7d, 56d. Now let us change the sides. 56d equal to 384 minus 48, that is 56d equal to 336. d equal to 336 divided by 56, that is d equal to 6. So we go to the value of d, it is equal to 6. Question number 10. Given L equal to 28, S equal to 144 and there are total 9 terms, find a. L means last term equal to 28, S equal to 144 and n equal to 9. You have to find out a. Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus l, that is 144 equal to 9 by 2 into a plus 28. 144 into 2 equal to 9 into a plus 28. This divided by 2 is taken to left side. So we get 288 equal to 9 into a plus 28. Here if you want you can remove the bracket I here just changed the sides. 9 into a plus 28 equal to 288. Next we have taken this 9 to right side. A plus 28 equal to 288 divided by 9. So we get a plus 28 equal to 32. A equal to 32 minus 28. That is a equal to 4. So the value of a is 4.
Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.